told me build and I obeyed. I walked by faith into the rain. You closed the door, you kept me safe. You held my heart through all the pain. But now I hear you call my name. The clouds are gone, you clear the sky. The door is open, you say come. It's time to leave the ark behind. I will come out of the ark when you call my name. Step into a brand new day. I won't be the same. I will walk in my purpose. I won't hide away. Jesus, I will trust you. Jesus, I will trust your way. You saved my life inside the storm. You taught my heart to hear your voice. Now you are saying go and build. Go make disciples, lift your voice. No more hiding in this place. No more living just to survive. You've given me a work to do, to shine your light and bring you life. I will come out of the ark when you call my name. Step into a brand new day. I won't be the same. I will walk in my purpose. I won't hide away. Jesus, I will trust you. Jesus, I will trust your way. From comfort to calling, from fear into faith. The storm now is over. I'll follow your way. From waiting to walking, from hiding to light. You're leading me forward. I'll go by your side. I will come out of the ark when you call my name. Step into a brand new day. I won't be the same. I will walk in my purpose. I will come out of the ark. I will walk in my purpose. I will come out of the ark. I will walk in my purpose. I won't hide away. I will walk in my purpose. Jesus, I will trust you. I will walk in my purpose. Jesus, I will trust you. I will walk in my purpose. I will come out of the ark. I will walk in my purpose. I will walk in my purpose. Jesus, I will trust you.